to know how to polish rocks without a rock tumbler? Well, you sit in your backyard with a can of Mod Podge and you can get spraying. Rock on, polish on, shine on.
If any of you have used Mod Podge before for arts and crafts, it usually comes in a little container with a brush. So I did some research and I found out that when you use the brush on rocks or any other surface, that it actually leaves lines in it and you can see the brush stroke. So apparently this in the spray form does not do that because of course you're going to spray it on. It's not going to leave brush strokes. So we're going to use this. Make sure that you read the directions, well ventilated area like your yard. Make sure you're 10 to 12 inches from the surface that you're spraying and all that. And it tells you about how it's a super thick, high gloss and it's non-yellowing, which a lot of people on my other video using Rust-Oleum were asking. That one is also non-yellowing, but this one is too. So yeah, read it. It's good for wood, fabric, metal, terracotta, canvas, paper mache, plaster, and on and on and on. And it doesn't say it, but rocks. We're going to add rocks on there. I'm going to write to them and go, you know what? You can use this on rocks. Hello. So let's get to spraying because this is just really quick DIY method of shining and polishing your rocks. Especially if you like the rocks just like they are. I got jaspers. I even have some agates. Look at this. Do you see that? It's beautiful. Here, let's get it wet. Oh, nice. Cool. Oh, and I got someone in my neighborhood playing drums. Yay! Okay, here we go. Cucaracha, cucaracha. Okay, you guys think I'm nuts, but this is normal for me. Just ask my family. Okay, here we go. Ooh, don't hold it too close. Don't spray it too much. Get around the edges. Yeah, nice. Ooh, aren't they beautiful? So, and then you're going to let that dry, of course. Gosh, look at that. No rock tumbler, no noise, no grit. No worrying about slurry, and you've got these beautiful rocks, and look at the brilliant colors. Holy mackerel, I wish I could pick that one up. Look at that purple. These colors are incredible. So I'm gonna let that dry, then I'm gonna flip them over. I'm gonna spray them. If it needs 2 or 3 coats, then I'm gonna do that. Otherwise, it's done. So let's let it dry. Woo! Okay, it's literally been minutes, like maybe 5 minutes at the most, and you can see that shine on there. Look at that. Wow. Dull, shiny, shiny, super shiny jasper. Oh, look at that. Dull, dull, dull. And hey, I got the sides. Cool. Look at this agate. Dull. It's hard to see. I'm not going to lick it now but there's some banding right there. Woo! And here's that agate I wanted to pick up. Oh my goodness. That is cool. I love that purple. Dull. So that's probably going to be greener. Let's flip these all over. And then there's another one. I think these turned out awesome. And look at that. Look at that green. Dull. Shiny. I mean, wow. Who doesn't love green rocks? Holy mackerel. Oh my gosh. I love green rocks. I want to eat them. Oh, forgot to flip it over. Here's another one. It's almost like agate-like. Dull. Red. Dull. Who doesn't like this? Tell me if you like this idea or not. This is just incredible. There's another little agate. Do you see that? Let's flip it over. And these greens. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're flipping these all over. You get the idea. Yellow jasper. Ah! Okay, I already turned that one over. Another little agate. Nice. Okay, here we go. Woohoo! Okay. Oops, almost sprayed it in my face. I'm such a dork. Got so excited. Oh, I was right. It's almost like a green. Woo! Look at this. Oh my gosh. Ah! Yes! Oh my goodness. So cool. Okay, I think I got all the edges. We're gonna let it dry. La la la. Isn't it beautiful? Yeah, it's only like 55 degrees out right now, and that's how quickly it's drying. So yeah, pretty cool. Woohoo! I had to bring these inside because it was getting dark. You know, just running out of daylight. Not enough hours in the day, but look at this. They're all dry. See, look. Oh my gosh. So it's not perfect on that side. You just spray some more. Like I said, do 2 or 3 coats, whatever it is you like. Here's that agate. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, you can see the banding a little bit. Definitely more enhanced colors. Oh, there's that purple again. Yep. I really like this technique. What do you think? Do you like it? I like it. That's for sure. Oh my goodness. So bright. Holy cow. It even gets it in all the nooks and crannies. I mean, it's just incredible. So look at that. So dull, and that's shiny. Let's compare all the different methods so far for polishing, shining, enhancing rocks. We have the rock tumbler method. So slippery and shiny. I dropped it. Look at that. How beautiful. So there you go. And we've got the Rust-Oleum method. This is my favorite method after rock tumbling. And yeah, you get to keep the character of the rock, and it's non-yellowing, indoor, outdoor spray, Rust-Oleum. We've got nail polish. A lot of people like doing that. Keep the character of the rock again, so you don't lose any volume, as it will be for the rest of these. Yeah, that's pretty darn cool. Some people might think, yuck, it's all lumpy, and it's beautiful. I mean, a true rock hound should love just about any shape of a rock. So if you like it like that, that's cool, that's fine. Sorry, I'm rambling. Okay, mineral oil. This has probably been 2 or 3 months since I did this one. It's starting to dry out a little bit. It's a temporary shine. I wouldn't necessarily call it a polish, but it's definitely enhanced. There's the cooking spray method. I used Pam cooking spray. You can see it's drying out a little bit, but boy, this rock was pretty darn blasé looking. You couldn't even hardly tell the difference between these different blues and greens. So that's still holding up pretty good. We've got baby oil. Yes, baby oil. You can see that one's drying out. This is a temporary shine enhancement as well, but that is definitely, you know, you can see the colors better than when it was just picked up off the beach. And we've got the Mod Podge that we just did, and boy, look at that shine. And you still keep the character of the rock. So yeah, it's pretty darn close to the Rust-Oleum one, don't you think? For nail polish. So I'll leave a link in the description to all the videos that I've done so far for DIY budget rock shining, polishing, whatever you want to call it, enhancing the colors versus rock tumbling. Oh, I almost forgot. Which one's your favorite? Come on, tell me. Tell me. I want to know. Spill it.